Hey, what's up guys? Jamie G back here again. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon wherever it is down there somewhere. Stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. What I'm going to go through today is going to be a super quick video, but just going to show you guys two different things. Two for the price of one. Yay. All right, so first one is basically what I'm going to show you is how you can save money on your everyday shopping. Okay, so we all buy stuff. Well, I know I buy stuff. I shouldn't make that assumption. Hopefully people out there shop, whether it's online or offline. This is just one way that you can save a little bit of cash along the way, get an actual cash rebate for your purchases. So what we're looking at here, in case you haven't figured it out, is Ebates. You may be familiar with Ebates, you may even use it, in which case I'm just going to, you'll have to wait for the second part of this video for me to show you how to get the super cheap hosting. So anyway, excuse me. Right, so Ebates, what it does is it allows you to get a cash rebate applied to your account when you make purchases either online and also at for certain places offline as well. And the great thing is that it's just a browser notification. So when you actually go into one of those stores, it will automatically pick up that, okay, you're eligible for a cashback. Here's like 1%, 3%, an actual amount. $10, $30, whatever the case may be, and then obviously that's gravy. That's what we want, right? That's pretty cool. So that's one side of it. The other side of it is just over here. As you can see, refer and earn $25. So if you refer someone to Ebates, so friends, family, you want to help them save money on their shopping, and they do spend over $25, you will get $25 as a cash credit to your account. So therefore, all you need to do is refer. I know everyone knows at least one person that shops online. So if you refer one person a week, it's an extra $25. It's something that you can spend money on your online purchases, as well as saving money. You actually can start building that up. Yeah, so pretty damn cool if you ask me. Right. While we're here, this is the second part of what I wanted to tell you guys. So regardless if you never do what I'm about to show you, you should really sign up for Ebates. I am going to leave a link below. If you do end up signing up via that, it is free to do so. Like I say, it's just a browser add-on, and it is an affiliate link, so I will get $25 for referring you through to Ebates if you qualify by spending money at some stage. Now, in case you're worried as well, it doesn't do anything to alter the actual price of whatever it is you buy. It's not like they increase the prices and then take $25 off that, or take your cash back off that. It actually even applies to discounts already in place from those stores, and it works for everything from Amazon through to Walmart, eBay. What else you guys got in the States, like Walmart, all sorts of stuff. It is for international stores as well. I personally use it for my own online shopping. I buy a lot of domain names, so I get a bit of a cashback for the domain names that I buy, which is kind of cool. So anyway, that's it. That's part one. Part two is I'm going to show you guys how to get hosting for your website for about $3 a year. Now, I tried to do it previously for $1 a year, and it didn't quite work out. So I'm going to take two, $3 a year. I'll show you how. So right, you've signed up for Ebates. Like I say, use the link below. It is free to do so, and once you do actually log into your Ebates account, you'll have access to a screen that looks very similar to mine. I'm just going to show you one of the hosting, which in this case is HostGator, and as you can see, there's a $30 cash rebate that will be applied to your account if you buy anything from HostGator. So pretty damn cool. Just going to click on that while that loads. Right, yeah, cool. Okay, so now here we go. I'm not sure if you guys can see my face there. It sometimes blocks the screen. Anyway, right, so WordPress hosting, website builder hosting, blah, 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 cashback. So all you need to do, that's it, right? We now know that we can get a cashback of $30 if we end up buying something via the store, which is really cool. So basically, you might want to have a look at, say, for me, I'd look at this one, HostGator shared hosting plan with free SSL certificate, and click on shop now. What it's going to do, open up a new tab. And in doing so, it's going to say, cool, congratulations, $30 is applied to this shopping trip, and then it will auto refresh and go to the actual page itself. Here we go. Right, and so there you go. Starting from $2.75 per month. Okay, that's it. That's as easy as it is. You basically click on that. You go through the steps, get your $2.75 per month hosting, um, and that's it. You're fine. Let's just do some simple stuff on that. I've already done it. 5 times 12, so $33 a year. Pretty damn good. That is amazingly cheap hosting. Minus your $30 cashback, $3. So it's going to cost you $3 for the year to get your hosting, which I think is just an unbelievably good deal. I pay about 10 to 15 times more than that. Of course, I do have more than one hosting account, so that probably accounts for it as well. But anyway, that's just a little thing you can do to save on your hosting, and I hope this has helped. Once again, my name is Jamie G. If you don't go through this process and get your hosting for cheap, I do highly recommend you do sign up for Ebates just to check it out. Like I say, it's not going to affect the price of things that you do actually buy, but you are going to save, and you see that cashback building up, and they send you a check every now and then. It's pretty damn cool. Like I say, the other way to monetize that is simply by referring a friend or family member. So think of your great auntie who loves to buy stuff online, or anyone that's going to go shopping on Amazon. You might as well get them involved, because you will get that cash back via shopping as well. So super cool thing. I love Ebates. I love this method for saving on your hosting as well. And that's it. That's all I wanted to go through. Once again, my name is Jamie G. Thank you very much for joining me here in today's video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.